With Look to Speak, you can use your eyes to select pre-written phrases and have them spoken aloud. To select items on screen, keep your head still and look right, left, or up, each time looking off-screen to make your selection. From the main screen, look left or right to select the list with the phrase you want to say. Each time you select a list, the phrases will narrow down until you get to the one you want. At any point, you can look up to cancel and start again.
How are you?
If you want to take a break, you can look up to snooze. To unsnooze, follow the instructions on screen. If you're helping someone set up, mount the device securely and position it close enough to read the phrases, slightly below eye level. If you need more help, tap the menu and try the Setup helper. You can also edit the phrases.
TV please.